about a game. It's a rich thing.
Let's start with the features. The Kreo Hawk Gaming Mouse features 8 programmable buttons, adjustable DPI levels, 200 to 12,400, a PMW 3327 sensor, custom RGB lighting, and an ergonomic design for comfortable gameplay. The PMW 3327 mouse sensor is made for gaming. It ensures accurate and reliable tracking in all games. This mouse is designed for long hours of gameplay with a shape that supports fingers and palms. It's pretty lightweight, coming in at just 85 grams. It has a 1.5 meter braided wire and a little support structure to maintain cable quality. It also has software support, and in the software, you can adjust the DPI, polling rate, and RGB lighting according to your liking. The link to the software is in the description. This mouse has a polling rate of 1000 Hz. The programmable buttons are on the left side, which makes the mouse asymmetrical and not ambidextrous. Basically, the mouse can only be used comfortably by right-handed people. But the fact that they're offering so much for just under 1,399 rupees makes it all worth it. I got the mouse for just 1,000 rupees on Amazon, the link to which is in the description. Since it's almost gonna be a year since I started using it, I will be sharing my user experience in the future videos. I will also be sharing my experience by testing it on different games and also other productive work like editing. So that's it for today, guys. I'll catch you in the next one. Stay tuned.